everybody, it's Mike, the Baldadonis. Boom! Hey guys, on tonight's episode, as you all know, this week we had a pretty good storm from coast to coast. Living here in New England, the Boston area, I couldn't wait to get my fair of snow. My fair share of snow, I should say.
In the city of Boston as well as...
It's been way too long since we got any snow, and I myself like snow. I do. I enjoy snow. I think it's pretty, and it just makes the time go by for winter time and wait for the spring. So I do enjoy snow. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before it snowed and after it snowed with a few clips. But just like everybody else, we all go food shopping. Even though it's just for one day, we all have to go and hustle, sit in lines, food shopping. Not me. I knew the store was closing at 9 o'clock. I would leave here at 8:30, get there, praying that nobody was there. And it worked out for me. There was like 11 people in the store. I was in, out, done. But in this clip, I'm going to show you, that was yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, I live in a pond. Half the pond was frozen, the other half just starting to get a light film of ice on it. Not fully frozen yet. So I have some fishing enthusiasts every winter going out there, drilling their holes, put the little hut up to go ice fishing. That's cool until he comes over here by my house with a auger. I'm like, dude, get out of here. You know what I mean? So this year he was way on the other side of the pond. And you know, I just don't trust ice. I've been here for 12 years. I've seen snowmobiles go in the water, and I just don't trust the ice. I just don't get these people. So you're gonna see a clip of them fishing, or a couple pictures, and what it looked like before it snowed in my yard, and what it looked like after it snowed. So during a snowstorm, like everybody else, we go shoveling. Come back in, I clean my house. I did laundry. I looked after my cat Buddy. As he's getting older, his hips, you know, he's just not moving the way he is, so I have to give him some extra love. You know, I ate all day. And while I'm cleaning the house, I see people on snowmobiles flying up and down the pond. and there was 2 small football games on today. You might know about that. And if you're a New Orleans Saints fan, I feel for you. For a foul on that, and I do feel that the game would have been their favor. And being from Boston and New England, boom, yeah, New England. Brady, you give me a heart attack way too many times watching your games. You know what I mean, dude? Like, it goes down to the wire all the time. Oh, I think for 2 hours, heart palpitations. Boom, 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 boom. But anyways, great game, fantastic season. Hopefully you do well in the Super Bowl. Yeah, so what did you guys do when the snow hit? Or what do you guys do when there's a snowstorm? Sit around being lazy, watch some movies, watch TV, play in the snow? Send a little comment. Tell me what you guys do or did. But until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.